Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing the difference between school teachers and martial arts instructors. So just about 10 minutes ago, not even lying, I had one of the hardest, most difficult intros that I've ever had to deal with, and I ended up kicking them out, politely of course, but kicking them out and pretty much saying, no, I'm not going to accept this person as a student of mine because they were absolutely ridiculously hard and didn't want anything to do with any of this. It was their rules and that was it. They didn't have any other way about thinking, and so I politely told the parents, I'm like, not ready, need you guys to leave, and so they did. So let's talk about this for a minute, okay? So let's talk teachers, school teachers, okay? They have to deal with those kind of students, those kids, from kindergarten all the way up to at least 17, 18, 19 years old. They have a harder job. For us instructors, we can pick and choose who we come into our studio and who we train and who we don't train. That is our right to do that. Yes, we have the parents looking at us and making sure that we teach their kids correctly and all that. That has never been a real big issue for me. I would rather have the parents come in and watch, but school teachers, they pretty much get the full spectrum of the students' behavior inside of their school, and the teachers just have to deal with it however they do. Go to the principal's office, and then the principal detention, expulsion, something like that. We don't even have to deal with that, and we can usher them out the door and pretty much say, don't come back. That was, I could probably say this potential student was my second hardest one or difficult one I've had to deal with. The first one was 4, 5, 6-year-old, and that one called me every name in the book while her mom was sitting right there. And I did take her as a student, but they didn't last very long. And I've come to learn that those kind of students are more trouble than they're worth in the long run. So I wouldn't recommend, if they are difficult, you do have the right to not have them as a student. So I don't know, comment down below what you think, if you ever had this happen, or if you've ever seen students like this and in your studios, and how far do instructors go with this, or school owners go with that? So that's all I had for this video. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, train hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.